Hello, everybody, and welcome to Build or Buy. It's 1 o'clock, time to get started. Mel Babb is going to share with us some information we've been talking about, free online training. So I'm going to turn that over to Mel, and we're going to queue up her computer. You're right there.
Hello there, everyone. I know that this group mainly talks about how to build machines and all the innards inside the machines, but there's this other whole part of computers which is called using the darn things, which means that you have to know some software in order to do it. So the library, our wonderful public library, has made a website called Lynda.com available to all of us for free. Otherwise, Lynda, Lynda.com. Now, you don't have to write any of this stuff down. I will give you a demonstration, and if any of you want to have the steps, I can send them to you. Just send me an email, and I'll have to send it from home because the email's written on my home computer, and I don't have it on this computer. So I'll give it all to you. It's got all the steps and everything in it. Now, Dwayne Hendricks had put up the instructions as the library has written them up, but I found those a little cumbersome to use, but you're welcome to use those also. So anyway, you go to HPL, if you want to try it that way, or you do HoustonLibrary.org. There we go. That's better, library.org. How many of you have Houston Library cards, Houston Public Library? You're kidding. Good Lord, you can get videos, you can get audio books, you can get all kinds of books, of course. You can connect to all of the resources that are available in other libraries around the country if you need to get something that's not in the Houston Public Library. So the first thing you need to do is get yourself a Houston Library card. That is, if you're interested in...
There's also the county library.
A what?
Harris County Public Library.
And there's a Harris County Public Library too, but I'm not sure whether this Lynda.com works there or not. So you come up to the Houston Public Library's homepage. Over on the right-hand side, you click the tab, Search Our Website, okay? And that changes down here, Search Our Entire Site. If you were on Search Our Catalog, it says Find Books, eBooks, blah, blah, blah. But you want it to say Search Our Entire Site, and then click in there and type Lynda, Lynda.com, press Enter, and you will be taken to a page that says Resources, and then you will see a search page with the terms. You scroll down until you see Lynda.com, right here. Click on Lynda.com, and again, you have to scroll down. You only have to do this the first time. And down here is the resource link. And once you click this and get to the link right here, you can save that as a bookmark. And in the future, you just go back to the bookmark. You don't have to go through all that other folderol. Now it wants you to log in, your library card number and password. Now here's the trick. When you set up your library card, make sure you use a 6-digit password at least with numbers and letters. Only numbers and letters. So then you have just one of those things to remember. You've got to put your library card number in here. Notice that I'm using LastPass to save my passwords. And it automatically fills it in for me, so I don't have to remember any of them, but they're all different, and I don't have to keep track of them. I let LastPass do that. Then you're into the website. You don't want to save this website. You want to save the link that goes to the portal, the page before it. so that you get the free use of it. Once you're in here, you can look around here if you want, but better way is to point up here at library. Notice I'm pointing, I'm not clicking. Down the left-hand side are all the topics that are covered in this educational website.
And this is all free.
And this is all free. Otherwise, it's something like, last time I belonged to it, it was $37 a month.
Wow.
So I don't know how much it is now, because it's free. All right, so let's say you wanted to do something on audio and music. You go over to the right side, and here are all the topics. This is the software that is available, that they have courses on, that involve audio and music. And then if you wanted to become a professional, here are the courses it suggests that you take to become one. To become a music business entrepreneur, a music producer, so forth. So let's say you want video. You go down to video and then go across, and here are the topics for video. And you can, again, learn specific software like Premiere Pro, or you can become an actual professional in the field.
Nice.
Yeah, so let's say you want business. You can have regular, not just computer courses, but these are business skills, communications, and so forth. How about marketing? And in marketing, there is a Facebook. I'm going to use this as my example so you know what to do once you've picked something you want to get into. Come on, there it goes. And it will pull up all the Facebook training that's available, or whatever other one you wanted. So now you're not sure which one you want to take, so they have a preview of it that you can watch, so you can find out if you like that particular instructor. Tells you how long it is, 1 hour and 38 minutes. Most of these are an hour or more. Here's how to do advertising with Facebook, 1 hour and 22 minutes. Learn the basics, 1 hour and 56 minutes. To learn the basics of Facebook. Advanced Facebook advertising. So let's say you want to learn the basics of that. You click the preview.
My name is Jess Stratton, and welcome to this course. I'll walk you through setting up a new account and adding friends. I'll show you how to post status updates, tag friends, and upload photos to Facebook. I'll walk you through creating events, learning about them.
What I wanted to do is turn that off because I want to comment.
My name is Jess Stratton, and welcome to this course. I'll walk you through setting up a new account and adding friends. I'll show you how to post status updates,
Well,
tag friends, and upload photos to Facebook.
there it is. Okay. The other thing it has, you can go through the preview, or you can scroll down, and it will tell you, you can read the transcript. So when you take these courses, you actually can read the transcript. You can have closed captioning on so you can see what the instructor is saying, as well as actually just watching it. And of course, you can pause it and go back and forth as many times as you want, because if you missed something or you want to try it on your own, on another screen on your computer, you can do that. There is a beginning and a place to show you how to use Lynda.com so that you can find out what all the little goodies are that will make the video work, how to make it big, how to pause it, and all that sort of thing. It gives you a skill level. This is a beginner, intermediate, advanced. So you have plenty of things there if you're at all interested in learning stuff in a particular topic.
And you can't beat the price.
And you can't beat the price, and these things, you know, if there's nothing on TV anymore, which I don't think there is, this is a great way to spend some time and get involved in learning something new. Have at it. And if you want the instructions on how to get this thing on and set up, okay. Any other questions,
Anything else?
comments?
Okay, to get this library card, give us a little bit on that, and do you have to be a resident of Houston?
Yes. You do have to be a resident of Houston,
Get it?
but you can probably get a library card in your library or call up the library in your area and find out if they have the service also. And does anybody know, does Harris County have this public library? Anybody know that? Jack?
I just had a comment. I went to Lynda.com directly, and they offer both a basic course at $20 a month and premium at $30 a month.
Okay.
The difference being with the premium, you can do project files and code practice, assess your progress with quizzes,
Yeah.
and save it for offline viewing. Does the library card cover the premium or the basic, or do you know?
I don't know, but I believe you can, on most of these things, you can load them offline, and at least I always did, and you can also download exercises where it's appropriate, so you can do exercises with files that they've
Okay, that would seem to
Pre-created.
indicate that it's the premium package then.
probably the premium, yeah. So this is a really good deal if you're trying to get something mastered and don't have time to go to a class, but you got plenty of time in the middle of the night because you can't sleep or something. Or during the day when you just need something to do. That it? Anybody else?
Anybody got any more questions?
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Mel. Free online training. Now, we talked about this briefly on Wednesday in November, the last Wednesday, which was the 30th. So there's a link up from what Dwayne Hendricks had shared with us at that time. So if anybody wants to look it up,